What's up guys, this is Megs from DTC. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my banana bread. So you want to start off with 6 very ripe bananas. You want them to be patchy, just clean them up nicely. So the reason we have them like this is because it increases the level of sweetness in the banana bread when it's overly ripe like this. And then I normally weigh this just to make sure that you have the right amount. You can have from 400 to 450 grams worth of banana in this bread. So then you're just going to mash the banana with your fork or a masher. I mean, I use a potato masher as well in between intervals just to make sure that everything is
perfect.
Cool, so that's pretty much looking done now. Now we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. So I'm just going to use about 130 mils or grams worth of butter. And then you want to soften it, so I let it sit in the microwave for a little bit too long, but
it's all good. If you don't have a mixer,
then you can just use a whisk to do exactly this. Here I'm just chucking in some sugar, half a cup with the butter. And then you're going to cream this together. Then you add in your vanilla essence or vanilla extract. I just sort of made my own vanilla extract from a vanilla pod.
But either will work just fine.
And then you're going to add your eggs. You want to make sure that there's no shell. Yeah, so biting down on shell is probably like the worst experience ever. Then I just add 2 cups of cake flour. So you want to put it through a sieve just to make sure that there isn't anything weird. So with the baking powder, this is a rising agent, so it will help your bread to rise. Just put about 2 teaspoons worth. I like to be quite precise with my measuring, you'll see. And then just some salt to add a bit of flavor. You can do a half of 1 teaspoon. And then you're just going to sift those ingredients together and
get rid of those bits.
mixing it all together now.
Cool bananas. Okay.
So here we are going to add the flour and yes, bananas. So the reason I added half and half was because the mixer was starting to struggle a little bit. Like, you want to make sure that it's not too dry when you're mixing it, because you want it to mix evenly. So you'll see me going in with some flour and then some banana, just to make it a bit easier. And then you're going to use some butter just to sort of grease the pan so that the bread doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now we've poured in all of our mix, so it's going to go into the oven. It'll go in at 180 degrees and you let it bake for 1 hour. So then I like to rub butter on the banana bread after it's come out of the oven. So the flavor of this will improve if it's stored in a pan for a few days. And you can also use whole wheat flour instead of cake flour. And then, as per tradition, we love
to smother this with
butter. You can put as much butter as you want. I generally enjoy banana bread with quite a bit of butter. Cool. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed.